Assalamu alaikum. Now today again I'm here with you and all of my viewers, everybody. I welcome you very warmly. And today's very important thing which I wanna share with you about your success. First of all, in my first lecture, I just delivered, I just emphasized, I just stressed over one point that you should just think and you should just ask this question to yourself, okay, who am I, right? Who you are. And today, the second thing which I want to just tell you here, if you want to be the very successful person in your life, you have listened many motivational speakers, you have studied many books, many articles about success, but the thing which I want to share with you, just you need to learn this thing. You must observe this thing, right? You must understand this thing, right? And if you have understood this thing, then your life may get changed, right? Your life might become a very unique in the society, very different from other person, from other people who are running after their goal achievements. You're also, but the point is that if you'll follow my instructions, inshallah definitely you will be very perfect in your goals. You will get your goals very easily in your life. There is no need to worry about your getting goals. If your goals are at a standstill, there is no worry, right? If your goals at a stop or halt, there is no need to worry about this thing. But I want to tell you here, my today's the main thing which I want to share with you, which I want to ask you, is that in my first lecture I just emphasized who you are. Ask this question, and if you have got answer after asking this question to yourself, who you are, let's suppose you ask this question to yourself, who you are, you just get the reply, I am an engineer, right? I am a mathematician, I am an English language teacher. What kind of your interest, what kind of your profession is, right? You should just get this question answer from your question. What post, what status, what you can say that interest you are having in your life, you should just point out, and after that you should just try to do some work over this point. Let's suppose if you ask this question to yourself, who you are, and in reply you get this answer, I am a very strong, I'm a very weak, I'm a very happy, I'm very jolly minded, I'm an engineer, I'm a professor, I'm a linguist, I'm expert in math, I'm expert in physics, chemistry, bio. In any of the field where you have good command, where you have good expertise, right? You should just follow this thing. And then after that, what should you people do over there at the moment? What thing you must do over here is that don't go anywhere else. After finding the answer, Just try to apply your all the abilities which you have in yourself, right? You should, you must try your all the abilities, all the talents, all the characteristics, features, right? Your excellencies, each and everything you should just apply. Try to do work over that point, right? Don't go anywhere else. Don't make your mind upset by involving in different kind of things, right? Which you, in which you are not too much interested, in which you are not too much expert. Just after getting the main answer of who you are good at driving, you're good at math, you're good at uh, English language, you're good at German language, you're good at engineering, you're good at in any of the field. So after finding this question answer, you must do something special over your task, right? There is no need to make your mind upset. Whether you are earning less amount than others, no problem at all. If you're doing work over your interests, over your expertise, a day will come when you will be the very strong person. You will become the more successful person in your life. You will have the big success in your life later on if you are sticking to yourself on the, you can say, in the field in which you have interest and in which you are very good at, right? So if you are sticking to it, then ultimately no person, right, can stop you. Nobody can uh, discourage you. Nobody can damage you. Nobody can stop you for your big success. Nobody can you can say demotivated you. If you are doing on your own interest anything which you want to get in your whole life. So the basic point, the basic thing is that after finding the answer about yourself, if you have the answer in front of you, and then I just recommend you try to do work over your one point, over your one thing in which you have too much interest, in which you have too much expertise, right? You have big skills in the field, right? So do the work in that field, in these fields in which you have good command. So I personally want to tell you, in life, those people who are having multi thoughts in their minds and want to do more than 1 2 3 4 5 6 tasks, right? They can't get the big success in their lives, right? Only those who just get the point, get the things which they have in themselves. I am talking about talents. And then after that, after finding these things from their personality, they try their level best to do work over that point. They become very successful in their lives. And don't leave your skills, don't leave your talents, don't leave your inner hidden qualities, features. Hold them tightly, right? And after doing work over your all these skills, talents, hidden qualities, features, right? You can do other works, but don't leave your main things, main, you can say that talents, skills, interests, don't leave them. After doing work over that or these things, then you can do some other things, but don't leave your basic things in which you are good at, in which you are having good interest, in which you have no worry, right, for doing, no tiresome, no boredom, nothing after doing all these things. So you should just follow all these things. I personally say you, please do the works over things in which you have good interest and in which you have good command. Your expertise are dominant over these things. So you should just do all these things. This is one of the best thing for you, and you will get success in your life. And in the end, I just want to say you, don't think about your talents, hidden qualities, interests. Don't think about these things, that these are not good for you. Mostly people think about this thing, that these are not good for me. These things can't create productivity for me. When this negativity is in your minds, how you can get better in your life? No, you can't. Leave this thing. Remove this thing that your talents are zero. No, your talents are not zero. You are just thinking about this zero. Zero is a big digit. Without zero, you are nothing. Right? Your talents are, think about your talents. Think about your features. Think about your skills, that these are the big thing for you. Then they will become the big for you. Right? And if you are thinking about all these things, that these are not the big things, these are not the very important thing for me, these are not the very beneficial or very vital things which they can play a very vital role in my life, how you can get better in your life? How you can get a big success in your life? You can't. So need is that you must follow these things. You must follow your interests. You must follow your skill. You must follow your hidden qualities. You must follow your big talent which you don't have any kind of problem for doing. So in the end, I just want to say you, stick to your point, only one point in which you have a good interest, good talent, good skill, right? And do it, stick to it for long time. As much as time you can spend, you should spend over that thing. And ultimately, inshallah, you will be a very successful person. Okay, bye bye, best of luck, nice take care of you. And in the end, I want to say you, like my video, share my video, comment, right? This is best thing for you. Okay, bye bye, best of luck, assalamu alaikum.